Hello students. I did here some divisions. Let us observe carefully, and after observing, let us come to a conclusion of 10th class mathematics, one theorem, right? So, if you learn by observing, you will remember that forever. Otherwise, if I tell you first of all the statement, a theorem, that may lead to by hearting, right? First of all, let's observe very carefully, right? In all these divisions, divisor is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Have increased numbers from dividends 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Right? In all these divisions, observe the remainders 0. 5 was 20, remainder 0. 5 was 20, remainder 1 for 21. 5 was 20, remainder 2. 5 was 20, remainder 3 for 23. 5 was 20, remainder 4. Now next after 24 what happens? 5 5 is 25, remainder 0 means as you are dividing by 5, remainders can be only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Again will continue what? 1, 2. In this way remainders will continue. Remainder cannot be 5. You should conclude from this, right? So remainder will always be less than the divisor, right? For right here, if you observe some more also here, divisor is 10, remainder 0, divisor is 9, remainder is 2, divisor is 8, remainder 4, divisor is 7, remainder 6, divisor is 6, remainder is 2. Always remainder is less than this divisor. Remainder can never be more than. And if you observe here, remainders are varying from what? As divisor is 5 here. If you take 6, remainders will vary. From this you should conclude. If you take the divisor 6, remainders will change from 0 to 5. Right? So that is why remainder value will vary from 0 to 1 less than the divisor. Right? So that is what. If you take any two positive integers, and carry and division, right? If you do division, you will get two numbers. This is called quotient and this is called remainder, right? So quotient may be anything. We don't say anything about quotient, but remainder is very important. This remainder will be always less than the divisor. That is what. If you take two numbers A and B, right? If you divide A by B, let us think that these two are positive integers, right? So if you divide number A by B, you will get a quotient Q. Such that, observe here, 5 fours 20 plus 1 is 21. 5 fours 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 fours 20 plus 3 is 23. 5 fours 20 plus 4 is 24. 5 5 is 25, remainder is 0. So nothing but you have to multiply divisor and quotient. For that you have to add the remainder to get the dividend, isn't it? You have learnt this already in 6th class, 5th class, 4th class. So now we should get clarity on that, right? So nothing but if you divide number A by B, you will get a quotient Q and there may be a remainder R. There will be a remainder R. Remainder can be 0 also. There will be a remainder R, right? So nothing but A is equal to B into Q. This is divisor. A is dividend. We are considering A as dividend, B as divisor. Then you will get a quotient. You have to multiply B and Q. B into Q. Again plus R. Always you have to add the remaining remainder. That is why that is called, as the number is remaining here, that is called a remainder, right? So A is equal to BQ plus R. We have to give some more information here. What information we will give? So the information is that R value changes from 0 to 1 less than B. Nothing but 0 is less than or equal to R less than B. R will be always less than B and R value can be 0 also, right? If you observe here, B value is 5 here. R value changed from 0 is less than or equal to R is less than 5. Right? These values what will come here? 0 will come, 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come. Came here, right? Sorry, I wrote 2 twice there. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 0 remainder, right? So remainder can never be more than the divisor. That is what called division. This is called division algorithm. Theorem 1.1 in your textbook. A is equal to BQ plus R, where Q and R are whole numbers. 0, starting from 0, no? We have to include 0 also, right? So you can say Q and R are whole numbers, or else you can say non-negative integers. All whole numbers are non-negative integer also you can say. Is that clear? I think the theorem that for any two positive integers a and b, there exist two numbers, two whole numbers q and r in such a way that a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. This is what the theorem. I think you have understood. If you have well understood this, please like, share and subscribe so that it will reach to many people. Also share with your friends. Thanks for watching.